should I take today?
I usually take a salad and orange juice.
Hi Alia, Zarel. What did you choose today? Hi Disha, I'm still deciding, but maybe today I will take salad.
Sorry, can sorry, can I pause for a moment? I also give some food.
Hello, what would you like to order today?
I will order salad and mineral water. That's it.
Okay, your order will be complete soon. Hey guys,
Hi Dimas.
there are empty seats here. If you want to join, come here.
Thank you. I will join after picking up my order.
Okay.
So, what happened in class today?
The assignment sounds interesting. When is the submission deadline? Tomorrow morning. So we have to work hard tonight.
I have some great idea for the project. Let's discuss it after lunch.
Sorry, this is your food.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yay!